I've had several people come to me for healing sessions, and when I tell them what crystals I'm putting on their body or around their body, they're surprised because their crystals do not feel like that. So let's talk about 3 reasons why your crystals may not be working for you in 3 minutes or less. The first reason is that you're not cleansing and charging your crystals on a regular basis. So if you are working with your crystals, carrying them with you every day, there's an energy exchange happening whether or not you're aware of it, and you may be depleting the energy of your crystal. If you're interested in learning how I cleanse and recharge my crystals, let me know in the comments section. The second reason your crystals may not be working for you is that you might be approaching them from a egotistical standpoint, saying, what can you do for me? Not what can we do together, or how can we use our energies together to get the desired outcome. So a really good example of this is an abundance bowl. You can find pins on Pinterest about abundance bowls and what types of crystals to use. And there are some techniques to making those effective for your space and your environment. But if you just throw one together and leave it on your dresser and think that you're going to win the lottery, that's probably not going to happen. The third and final reason why your crystals may not be working for you is that you haven't established a connection with the crystal energy. So you may potentially be blocking that energy yourself internally. One way that I suggest you connect with your crystal is that after you've brought it home, you have cleansed it and charged it, is to meditate with your crystal so that you can become familiar with its vibration, establish a relationship with that energy, and determine how both of you can work together to accomplish whatever your intention is. So those are the 3 main reasons I've identified why people have a hard time working with their crystals. If you have any feedback or comments, please let me know, and I'll see you next time.